got so motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 old thoughts to walk.
Guys, for today's video. My name is Roddy Bigalit. Ang ano ko guys. Merry Christmas pala. Kagapon na yun. Okay lang. Hindi ba ito? And Happy New Year. May ganyan ka pa. Tunga. Nari ka dito ga. Pakita ka sa vlog.